Hey folks, this is unboxing video of BMK 200W power inverter DC12 to AC110. So I just ordered it from Amazon and I just received it. Nothing on the side, it just says 200W power inverter, convert 12V DC power to 110 AC power. So I bought this for my car and it has 4 USB ports and 15 amp fuse. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so it's I don't know what it is. Okay, after sales service card, some certificate, and here's the manual. We'll get to this later, but first let's unbox and see how it looks like. Okay, so here is fuse, which is 15 amp, and here is an inverter. So it just behind it just say 200W power inverter, blah blah blah. Here are 4 USB ports. Two seems like a power, quick power something, and 2 are just regular. These are 2 US 120, and this is fan. This is on and off switch here. This thing is not very huge and not heavy at all. So this thing is just 6" in length and 3" in width and around 1.5". Basically slightly less than 1.5" height. Let me go ahead and measure this cable, but I believe it's around under 2 foot. So half of the cable is around like 14.5, so probably around 28 inches long total cable. That will be all for this video. Take care guys.